National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County, eastern Morrow County, southern Richland County until 1 a.m. At 11:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Ontario to 17 miles west of Centerburg and moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Mount Vernon, Ontario, Lexington, Chesterville, Sparta, Belleville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.